It's Thursday, February 13th, the day before Valentine's Day, and we are getting close to wrapping up our first year's annual pass holders. And this is the first day of our most recent adventure. And where are we going to start our most recent adventure? Where else?
Where do we always start?
The Disney Character Warehouse. We're at the Vineland Premium Outlet Mall. Let's go in and see what we can find. Maybe we'll get some good stuff to start out this trip. We just finished at the Disney Character Warehouse. We ended up getting mostly Christmas stuff. And we'll show all of you that in a different video. Get a load of this bag.
Oh, it's a Christmas bag.
It is.
I didn't even notice. Sorry, I was reading about our room not being ready yet. My phone just keeps buzzing now that we're outside and I have signal. Our room's not ready yet, so we're gonna make a small detour and go to the Reebok outlet.
Because she's a Les Mills instructor.
If they even have Les Mills stuff.
Yeah, so we're gonna head over there, which is literally right around the corner that way. Well, we lost track of time, and it seems as if once again, our resort room is not ready. It's what time right now?
3:08 right now.
And we're still walking around Vineland Premium Outlets. We just left the Reebok store. So I think what we're gonna end up doing is we're just gonna go straight to Animal Kingdom because we have a dinner reservation at Yak Yeti for 4 o'clock. We gotta get going. It is 3:20 and we finally got our notification as we were walking towards the car from the Disney Character Warehouse. Our room is ready and it is in the Toy Story section, which is right near the front. However, we have a reservation at Yak Yeti for 4 o'clock. So I think what we're gonna do is we're just going to go straight to Animal Kingdom and then we'll figure out the resort once we're done for the day. Pack up everything I need now to take it to the park on our way over there. So here we go.
Here we go.
It's about 3:48 and we just got to Animal Kingdom. We got all of our sunscreens on and we're talking like warp speed, getting ready for the park here. Got my backpack on, all ready to go, all on the trip from the Disney Character Warehouse to here. So now we have to get on the tram, which will be coming up behind us in just a minute or so, and then we're going to book it over to the Yak Yeti. So hopefully we won't sit here and wait as this tram waits for everyone to load, 5-10 minutes when it could take us that amount of time just to walk. Fingers crossed, and here we go. We just got off the tram. It is 3:53-ish, and we're going to see how fast we can get back to the Yak Yeti before they say, "We're sorry, your reservation time is passed."
They give you probably about 10 to 15.
We should be back there way before then, because it's literally just in the door and kind of to the right. Here we go. Let's get through bag check and head over to have dinner. And we are through bag check, and we're about to go through the annual pass holder line, and then our trek to the Yak Yeti. We are in front of the Yak Yeti right here. We're getting ready to go in. It's about 4:06, and I think we made it.
I got the chicken tikka masala, and it was $24.99, and we'll put the description up so I don't have to read it all. It's spicy, so if you don't like spicy, I like this. It takes the spice a little bit to hit the back of your throat. So after the whole dish of this, I'm probably going to be sniffing a whole lot. I like it.
I got the Korean beef bowl from the seasonal menu. I believe he said this was like around $24. The price isn't on the menu. There are a lot of vegetables. There's a lot of rice, there's a lot of carrots, there's a lot of broccoli, 2 soft-boiled eggs, like an orange sauce that's on it. Now, the beef, it's It's like a sweet soy sauce flavor, but it's very reminiscent of just regular Chinese food. But everything on here looks very fresh. It tastes very fresh, but it's a big plate of food. I mean, this bowl's about this big, so there's a whole lot of it going on here. You guys are gonna watch me eat a soft-boiled egg for the first time ever.
Oh, gross. We got dessert. We got the fried wontons.
Now this is the skewer that we have here. So we have the fried wonton with the cream cheese, then pineapple, fried wonton, pineapple, fried wontons. This is fresh. They make this, they cut it, they make it all fresh.
We also got fortune cookies. Let's see what my fortune is. The principal business of life is to enjoy it. And you know a great way to enjoy it? At Walt Disney World Resort.
Let's see what my fortune is for the day. The Hotel of Your Mind has many vacancies. I think they're going to their next performance. It's either that or those are just
or they're
some
done and
Disney
they're going
bounding.
backstage.
Yeah, that. Or they're Disney bounding folks. Who knows? We just finished at the Yak and Yeti for dinner, and we are now going to a fast pass to meet
Mickey and Minnie Mouse.
right around the corner right there. Woohoo! Safari Mickey and Minnie. Let's go. I love your Pokemon. It is absolutely wonderful. And that is a beautiful ring.
Alright, I'm gonna have you do
We just did our meet and greet with Mickey and Minnie in safari outfits.
They're so cute.
They are absolutely adorable. So now we're making our way over that direction to go to our fast pass for Expedition Everest. I'm starting to feel that meal we just ate though.
Yeah. Let's go jostle it all around on a roller coaster.
On a ride. She's the motion sick one. So hopefully they're not going to have a some downtime on the ride.
No protein spills here. I've never actually paid attention to all this stuff.
Look at this. We're walking by right across from where the apes are usually doing their thing over here. You can see like the lotus blossom. They have them out and ready to go. They're just kind of in the alcoves. There's one here, there's one over there, and there's one in that direction over there. It's pretty neat to watch them setting up for it. There it is. That's where we're going in about 5 minutes.
I never noticed this before, but you must be 1 Yeti foot tall to ride. It's a Yeti foot.
Oh my God. Hey, Jack. We're standing at the Thirsty River Bar, and we're gonna see if we can get one of those Simba Popcorn buckets that's been all over the internet.
I bet we can.
Look what we got. And she left it in the plastic and just put the popcorn in a bucket, because they do have to sell you the popcorn so that it's not merchandise, basically. We got our Simba Popcorn bucket. It's so adorable. Where are we going now?
That way.
Yeah, we got to make a trip to one of the souvenir shops. So we are in Island Mercantile, and there's a bag behind us here. One of our friends really wanted this. Now, this video won't post until after we've given it to her, so I feel comfortable in filming this. She's a big leopard fan, so we are here to get this for her. This one's Loungefly styled, but it's not Loungefly. Souvenir bought. Our friend, I think, is going to have a very nice birthday this year, so we got the Loungefly style bag. And I think now we are going to head out and we're going to try to make it over to Epcot. It's about 7 o'clock now. Animal Kingdom closes at 8 tonight. So we're going to go over to Epcot, do a couple of things around for the Festival of the Arts, and they close at 9.
And eventually make it back to our room.
We haven't been there yet. I'm looking forward to getting in the bed tonight. I don't know why I've been so tired today. I still feel like I could fall asleep right now.
You slept almost the whole way down here.
I'll admit it, I did. I fell asleep when we hit Georgia.
Yeah.
And then I fell asleep again until we were like just crossing the bridge into Florida. We stopped for gas and I fell asleep again.
Like, the only reason we stopped at the Florida Welcome Center is because I had to use the potty. Which is the only reason you woke up.
Yeah, yeah.
And as soon as we got back in the car, there you went again.
I don't know what you're talking about.
I was like, oh man.
Let's go to Epcot.
Okay.
All right.
You got any room for a coffee and a donut?
I sure do. We're gonna do the coffee donut around the world at Joffrey's at Epcot Center. I'm ready from Epcot Center Joffrey Coffee and Donut. Ready? That is the tram saying farewell, guys. I hope you had a magical day at Animal Kingdom. And we did. Ooh-wee. We are very yellow. Hey, let's color correct that. Ready?
No cakes!
They put it on the skewers and they stick it all in the fryer. What? The skewers. The skewers. They put it all on the skewers.